Everybody. I like how it's like I'm in slum. Okay. Listen, just a minute. Okay. Hey everybody. I just want to tell you Happy New Year. Those goose. His big head. It's a Marlin. Say hi, Marlin. Marlin. Nobody wants to say hi now. They ate my hat. There's my nut. No, I don't want to be. No, y'all just want to get my hat. Stop. Stop it. I don't want to be out here. Go away. Okay. Anyway, I said, Happy New Year. Wow, my fingers and I. Yeah, let's say Happy New Year. Let's see here. Let's choose right there. And that's the next. It's a really bad video, isn't it? Anyway, I'm so happy. My hat got ate up, but that's what the market game. So, Happy New Year.